It's about to get messy.
What it do, y'all? It's your boy Messi, and right now I'm outside the Dollar Tree, and I'm about to open up some Dollar Tree packs. And it's a little spontaneous. I don't normally, go out and record in front of stores, like Lean Hard or anybody, because my phone, is kind of crap. But I just kind of felt like doing this because I felt, a little down today. I got 5 packs of every set that they had. So we got 5 breakthrough right now, which I didn't get anything there. You probably can't see it too well, but if I get something decent, I'll show you. So we got a Starmie, Roltz, Snubbull. We got Skidoo, Noivet, Seeking. We got a Remroid, Axew, Snorlax. A reverse Parallel City, but that's kind of nice. And a Curlia. So see, we got that. That's not too bad. Put that up here. And now we're moving on to Breakpoint. They got a Rattata, a Lilligant, and something Armatis, something like that. I can't pronounce. We got a Skorupi, Pancham, Puzzle of Time. We got a Skrelp, a Phantom Reverse, and a Lapras. 2 more breakpoints to do. Ooh, we got a Petalil, a Full Art Ho-Oh EX. That's pretty dope out of a Dollar Tree pack. That is nice. And we got a Krickerot, a Petalil, and a Nuzleaf. So that already makes me feel better. Let's see, we got Dewpider, Poliwag, Tanzir. Now we're on Sun and Moon. I only got 3 packs of Sun and Moon, and then I got 2 packs of Guardian Variety. Nothing there. Then I got a Litten, a Fearow, and Metapod. Okay, so now we're at a very weird angle, but that's because we had to leave because somebody pulled up next to us. They started blasting music, and we had to go anyways. So I was gonna finish it like this. I don't got someone holding the camera for me now. I'm just holding it with my knees as we drive. But we have a Salandit, Turtonator, and a Sudowoodo. And this is our last Guardians Rising pack. That's all I can find with just 2. So we have a Machop, a Snorunt, and a Sliggoo. Now we're moving on to Burning Shadows, which should be crazy if we got a Muck, Full Art, or a Hyper Egg. That's what I'm looking for. And we got a Riolu, we got a Meowth, and a Rotom Dex. I mean, it's kind of interesting, opening cards while being driven around. Of course, I'm not driving, that'd be crazy. Oh, there's a Grimer, that's cool. And we got an Azurill and a O-Town. Let's see. We have an Alolan Rattata. We have a Passimian Reverse and a Weakness Policy, which that Passimian Reverse is a rare, so that's kind of cool. Oh, this pack don't want to open. So we got an Alolan Vulpix, with a Dewpider. No, that's an Araquanid, and a Water Energy. Our last Burning Shadows, which we have a Pansear, a Magikarp, and a Metapod. It's not easy whenever you're looking at the recording or the playback to know what the cards are sometimes. We got a Jigglypuff, we have a Swinub, and a Miltank. Oh yeah, because now we're on the Crimson Invasion, I didn't even notice. Which these will be our last packs, so we got 4 packs left. That is a yeah, a Pumpkaboo Reverse, a Haunter, and we're down to 3 last packs. We got a Phoebus, a Devoured Field, and a Mulga. And now we have a Minccino, a Weedle, and a Mamoswine. Now I can't even see the cards because of the glare on the screen. So here's our last pack, our last chance at anything. We got an Execute, a Psychic Energy, and a Zweilous. So in the end, our pools were just 2 reverses. Actually, no, 3 reverses. There was a reverse rare and I lost it. Or no, we actually got a few more. Hold on. Let me get all these out of here. Now there's just a pile of cards in my lap. We are in motion, so trying to get up everything. Okay, so I can't find it, but there was a Passimian reverse rare that was in there, but we also got like the Devoured Field reverse, the Pumpkaboo reverse, the Phantom reverse, along with the Parallel City reverse. But of course, the best thing that we got today, which is, oddly enough, it was from a pack I was not going to buy. I wasn't going to get any XY sets, I was only going to get Sun and Moon sets. But we got the Ho-Oh full art, which is dope because I do not have that. I really wanted it. And another cool thing about it is I sort of bought these cards because today on Twitter, like normally I record my videos and I upload them throughout the week. Like I record them all like maybe on a Saturday or Monday or something, and then I just, edit them, throughout the week and upload them that way. But this video I'm probably gonna actually upload tomorrow, which would be Friday, because today on Thursday I put out a tweet saying that I've been kind of feeling down, about making videos and stuff, because I don't know, sometimes it feels like the people that are watching me are people that, I also watch, so it's more of, instead of having like real viewers, people that are just watching that don't have any sort of relationship with me at all, it's like people that, I comment on their channels and they comment on mine, and I never really wanted it to be that way. Like people that I feel like are my friends, like, yeah, I love that, but then, sometimes it feels like there's certain people that comment on your video because they want you to come and watch theirs, and that kind of takes some of the enjoyment out of it, I guess, because I love recording the videos, I love editing the videos, but the thing that I love most is feeling like something that I made actually has some sort of value to someone other than me, because I can make whatever songs, I can record whatever videos, I can do anything, but if I'm the only one that sees any sort of value in it, I don't know, it's not as meaningful, I guess, because like I just want someone to say like, hey, like I really enjoyed this video, it was fun watching, I like, whatever that you did. I'm not asking for fans or for people to go crazy and treat me different at all. It's just I want to know that what I'm doing is actually worth doing. It's like, for instance, like if you enjoyed cooking something, you made a meal for somebody and they were just to eat it without, saying that it was good, it would kind of make you feel bad, because you're putting in all that work and you're putting in all that effort, and it's not always easy to find the time to do those things or the inspiration to do those things. And so I was just kind of feeling bummed today, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna buy some random packs, and based upon what I opened, I was gonna kind of let that be like a sign, and I think that was our sign. you know. And I just got an alert. But yeah, that's our sign right there. The Ho-Oh full art. That maybe I should keep going, because I got like the hardest thing that you could possibly pull something out of. I got Dollar Tree bags and pulled a full art Ho-Oh. So that has to mean something. So yeah, I'm still gonna make videos. I'm still gonna push through it. I'm just gonna have to figure out, you know, something different, do something that no one else is doing, or at least if they are doing it, they're not gonna be doing it as good as I am. So anyways, if you liked the video, be sure to go and stomp that like button. Want to become a member of the Messed Up Mob? Subscribe as well as hit that notification bell. And remember, whether you game, you ball, or do nothing at all, do it messy, never sloppy. Peace out, y'all.
Rocket gang, rocket gang, rocket gang, rocket gang, rocket gang, rocket gang, rocket gang. Look up in the sky, set up for the plane. Nas team rocket blessing off a game. Man, them guys feel no pain. Either that or they insane. One too many blows to the brain. Rocket gang, rocket gang, rocket gang.